In this video we will demonstrate the dataset pre-processing step and the asset creation in the marketplace. We will start by the dataset pre-processing using Mage Generic Pipeline and DQP. In the Mage interface we use the DQP data pre-processing pipeline. The missing value component use our DQP component to complete the original data with AI-generated value. And the profiler DQP component annotate the data with quality-related measurement. The other components are from the generic pipeline and allow to easily read and send data to the NGSILD broker. When we launch the pipeline, we can see the information returned by the pipeline. First, the data is retrieved from the broker. Then the interoperability enabler transforms it into Python Pandas data frame. Now that the data is easily readable by any Python program, the DQP missing value component runs and detect 5 missing value and automatically generate them. The data is then sent to the DQP profiler component. It analyzes the received data and annotates it with data quality information. Here we can see that we have duplicates in our datasets. But thanks to the previous component, there is no missing value. The two last components retransform the data into NGSILD format and send it inside the broker. When your data asset is ready, you can create it using the marketplace frontend. If you already followed the onboarding process, you should have a valid participant. Here we are creating an asset as EGM provider. We can see that we already have 2 assets concerning water hydrometric station. We will create a third one for roads in Helsinki. In the Publish tab, you can use a pre-existing asset as template or create an entirely new one. We will create a new one. A form lets you provide the asset information, the name, the creator, a description, a picture for display, and some keywords to help filter the assets. Then you should provide the URL of your asset. You can then add some header that will be used when requesting the information. The last fields are the license used for the asset and an optional time interval validity for the asset. When you submit the form, you can check the information provided. Then you confirm the asset creation. The asset has been successfully created. After a few minutes, it should appear in the Marketplace Catalog tab. We can now see our new created asset. You will then be able to see it in details and negotiate it as described in the consumption of asset scenario.